All right, it's time to begin the show. Welcome back, Centy fans or Centy collectors. Today's car we have right here is the Hyundai Creta, the first gen Hyundai Creta, guys. It's actually from, it began in 2014. It was unveiled in 2014, and this was it. Yes, the Hyundai Creta, which is actually named as KRT 1.6 liter, and that's pretty weird name as Centy Toys does not have the officially licensed products, so yeah, just gotta compromise with that. Anyways, today's car we are gonna unbox is this, which is again pretty nice. It's got pullback action and it's their 30th anniversary. Yes, that's pretty cool. A quality product from Centy Toys, and this is how the back looks. Well, yeah, you actually have different color options, but they haven't mentioned it here, so don't worry about that. Let's get to the unboxing part, but before that, you guys have to check out its intro. So here we go. Let's see the intro of the Hyundai Creta right now. So, how was the intro, guys? Do let me know in the comment box. Yes, comment your options below or your opinion. Anyways, don't worry, the link of this car, the purchase link of this car will be in the description below, but don't just go yet, because we gotta unbox this thing. And before I get to the unboxing part, you guys know it, it's the introductions. Hi, this is Daman.s and DCS in short, of course. I'll be unboxing most of these toy cars, right, like this one, even Centy, Hot Wheels, and many other cars. So stay tuned for my weekly video updates, guys. Yes, press the bell icon right now if you want to get the weekend video updates. So alright, now let's go for the unboxing. Oh yeah, and one more thing, guys, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because if you want to see these cars in more detail, yes, you gotta check out my Instagram page, because I'll be putting these cars images which will be in really good details, guys. So yeah, you guys can check that out too. Anyways, now let's go for the unboxing of the Hyundai Creta. Here goes. Oh, that was a pretty easy move. Alright, so here it is, guys. The Hyundai Creta is out of the box. First look of the Hyundai Creta, or should I say Centy Toys KTR 1.6. Anyways, guys, looking at the car, this is the front look of the car, and the grills are pretty damn nice. Love the headlamps detailing. This time they've actually improved the detailing of the headlamps, which is pretty nice. And of course, the paint job done on this is again really nice. It's very good, guys. Love the details. And the last time I checked, this is no copied interior. This is the exact same interior which is there in the Hyundai Creta, which is a plus point for the attention to details. Thank you, Centy Toys. And yeah, looking at the alloy wheels, yes, these are different ones. Like for example, the previous Centy Toys had same alloys which weren't so cool, but now they're changing it. That's again a good thing. The bottom of the car, you have a KTR 1.6 with Centy Toys written down here, a fake exhaust tip right here. Okay, not so bad, I guess. And the tire treads are very well detailed once again. So this is the back look of the car. This is how it looks. It's run KTR 1.6 with the nameplate too, and the fake badging, as this is not officially licensed. So yeah, some compromises. And it has a sunroof with the shark fin antenna. The details of the Centy toys are getting better and better, guys, day after day. So that's a plus point of this car. Anyways, now let's talk about its info. Here we go. Let's look at the specs of the Centy Toys Hyundai CRETA, guys, or the KRT 1.6. Talking about the top speed. The top speed is ranging from 165 kilometers per hour to around 180 kilometers per hour. That's actually a good top speed time for an SUV. Well, going for the acceleration, that's from 10.7 seconds of the top variants to 12 seconds. Yes, 12 seconds is the maximum it will take, and it's available in all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive variants, so I would prefer the all-wheel drive one. Don't go for the front-wheel drive. Anyways, moving on to the horsepower. The horsepower of this car, actually there are two engine types. The first is the 1.6 liter one, which produces 128 horsepower. That's nice. And the 2 liter engine, which is probably turbocharged, yeah, it's 164 horsepower, guys. That's again a very good one. Moving on to the engines, yes, the 1.6 liter inline 4-cylinder, and there's the 2 liter inline 4-cylinder, guys. So let's talk about the transmission now. You get 6-speed automatic as well as manual, so there's no 5-speed, you have 6-speed in both of them. And talking about the body style, of course you guys know it, it's a 5-door SUV, guys. So that's the end of the info. So you got the details right. Now I'm gonna tell my opinion on this car, that is the ratings. Okay, looking at its details and all, I give it a 9 out of 10. Yes, because Centy Toys has put a lot of effort in its details, I give it a 9 out of 10, guys. That's the rating, and do comment your ratings down below. I'll definitely check them out. So yes, that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more of my weekly video updates, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll see you all, guys. Bye bye. Enjoy. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.